3 weeks, we were invited to the United States.
A trip and an unforgettable experience.
Now we are taking knowledge to our countries.
We met, listened, and talked to many experts.
We started the journey in Washington DC.
Then we split it in 4 teams in different cities.
I had the Reno team.
And I have the best Phoenix team.
No, I had the best, Austin.
Not even arguing here, Minneapolis.
But later, we gathered together in LA.
And at last, we traveled to Florida.
All except Leon, who had to leave early. We miss you, Leon.
But for the rest of the trip, always together.
We are 20 leaders with 19 countries.
Yes, 20 and 19.
Because we were 2 of Mexico.
But I'm the best.
No, sorry man. I'm the best.
Come down, mis amigos. We are all the best.
Yes, because we have excellent training.
And also because we learn for different culture.
And do not forget, we visited wonderful places.
For this and more, thanks, IVLP program.
We are grateful and proud to be the leaders from all over the world.